Rumors. See you in the shadow.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Chloe here, and I am super excited for today's video. By the title, you would know that I will be unboxing Miss Heather Grayson from Shadow High. I am super excited to unbox her, open her, look at her, look at all of the accessories. As you guys know, I love me some Rainbow High. So when I heard that they were doing Shadow High, I was very intrigued. Before we get started, before I do anything, I want to give a huge shout out to Matt, the Doll Isles. Definitely check him out here on YouTube. I will leave a link down below. Thank you so much, Matt, for getting me this doll. I am so excited. This video has been overdue. I literally got her last week, you guys. Like, I could have made this video sooner. But I have been kind of taking a little break, as you guys might have noticed from my last video. It was in January. We are in April. Yeah. You can say I've been kind of in the shadows lately. A lot has been going on. I will update all of you guys in another video. But for today's video, we are going to get into Miss Heather Grayson. So if you like videos like this or you want more videos like this, make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every now and then. I try to be consistent, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. This intro is getting way too long. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, you guys. So this is what the box design looks like. I wish I had an in-box Rainbow High doll so I can compare them. But basically, everything on this box is mirrored to the Rainbow High boxes. So where the clothes would be and the doll would be, it's kind of switched out. But this is kind of what it looks like, you guys. I am so excited. I am sorry about any glare. This is kind of the vibe. Look at that. Oh my god. Shadow High. We can see all of the characters. I will not be collecting the whole series. I am only going to pick out a few and get those. And of course I had to get Miss Heather because she was my favorite. But this is what the box looks like. Here on the side, you can see her name, Heather, and she's a special effects makeup focus. So, love that for her. But, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get her out of the box. Okay, guys, so she is out of the box. With the new Shadow High dolls, there came a lot of upgrades, you guys. I forgot to mention, these dolls retail at $29.99, and they are available as of today when I am filming this, April 11th, for pre-order on Amazon and Target. Also, people have been finding them in Walmart stores, so definitely check out your nearest Walmart to see if they have them. I also heard that people are finding them in Target stores, but they are not allowing anybody to purchase them until April 25th, which is supposed to be their official launch date. So yeah, just letting you guys know, the price did kind of go up for a basic series release, if you will call them that, but there is nothing basic about these dolls. Let me tell you guys all of the upgrades that these dolls came with. So for starters, their boxes, if you are the type of person to keep these like little boxes that have their clothing, it is way easier to open these now. No longer do we have to struggle with pulling out the plastic, running the back of the box, or whatever it may be. Now they come with tabs, you guys. You just pop it open and slide out the outfits. Literally super easy, you guys. Super easy. And all of this unfolds so you can like easily cut everything out. And if you really want to, slide all of this back in there. Keep the packaging. I love keeping these types of packaging. I've seen people use them as risers. I wanted to build like a full like closet and put all of these together. It was a whole thing. But that was the first upgrade that I noticed. The second upgrade was the comb. Now, it may look the same to you guys, and this is kind of like really clear, but they actually made the shape, I think, a little bit more rectangle. It has a little bit more sharper edges. Not only that, it has the emblem for Shadow High right here, and the top has studs. So more detail on the combs. I mean, honestly, they did not have to do that, you guys. I don't think a lot of people like even care about the combs, but the fact that they did that with Shadow High, just even better. The stand, It is the normal stand with the improved waist clip, but they added details around the stand. So they have the SH for shadow high, and it has studs all around the base, kinda like the LOL OMG remake stands. Very much that vibe, but I am here for it. It gives it an edgy vibe, and you know what? I am here for all of that. So here is Miss Heather Grayson. Super amazing. The skin color is like a light gray. It is very trippy, you guys. Like, super trippy. I don't know. It's like very different. The only color you will find in her is her eyes. If you look at her eyes, they are like a bluish, greenish, purplish kind of tint. It almost looks like they're fading. There is a bit of product in her hair. It's mainly like on the front pieces. So like if you don't like things like that, you could try brushing it out. I've seen people brush it out and it comes off. You could also just like wash it and it'll come right out. Like no biggie. Guys, this doll has so much detail. Her hair is a half split black and white with gray highlights. I don't even know if you guys are gonna see that, but she does have a little bit of gray in her hair. Super duper cute. Okay, she comes with a lot of hair accessories. Oh my god, wow, so many hair accessories, you guys. So many hair accessories. And I think what's really cool about this doll is that she has this hair accessory where it's a hoop, but there's hair. So literally it's not even attached to her head. It's just hair on a hoop. Super amazing. She does come with earrings. They're just hoops that say shadow. Super adorable. She has this black choker. Super gorgeous. So her focus was special effects makeup, and her makeup is everything. She has black glitter lips and black glitter eyebrows. How amazing is that? Super beautiful, super beautiful. Another amazing detail, and I would consider this an upgrade, are the new hand molds. So Shadow High dolls have this new hand mold where they actually have nails. And I was so excited to see that because with the OMGs, they have nails. And I love that. And I really wanted to see that in a Rainbow High form. And for them to do it with Shadow High is everything. So she has black claws. I love that so much. She also has a molded on ring on her thumb. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but she has a molded on ring. Wow, that is everything to me. I am going to go ahead and take off her jacket so you guys can kind of see the details on her jacket, because her jacket is everything, you guys. Like, her jacket is wild. Like, I am obsessed with her jacket so much. So here is her faux leather white jacket. Guys, there's so much detail. First of all, look at the front. Do you guys see all of those like little details that they added? Faux zippers and buttons and buckles, and oh wow. Now the back, oh my god, you guys, this jacket is everything. I need one in real life. Look at that. The lacing on the sides, oh my god. And then the sleeves, oh wow, this is an actual patch right here. So amazing. And the other side is no exception. Here's another patch, you guys. This jacket alone is so high quality. To be getting a doll for $29.99 with this level of quality is kind of insane, you guys, because you're not seeing this anywhere else. Like, Rainbow High and Shadow High are the only ones giving you this type of quality for that price point. So this is what she looks like without her jacket. She's wearing this, hold on, let me pull her hair back. She's wearing this faux leather snake print mini dress. It has so many details. Like, look at all those buckles. Look at all those zippers. Everything is faux. It does Velcro in the back, but like all of this detail, it is everything. I did want to mention a couple of things. So for starters, be very careful with her earrings and with her hair accessories, because they do come off really easily. I've at least dropped this earring twice already while trying to take off her jacket, and when I got her out of the box, it did come off. So definitely be very careful about that. Also, the hair accessories, from what I've heard, some of these little rings and even the little charms do pop out every now and then. So just be very, very careful with that because they are so small you can lose them. Now, the second thing I wanted to talk about. This dress is a variant. There are two versions of this dress on a doll. So, I have the version that has all of these details. There is a version of this dress, and if I can find a picture, I will post it right here, that does not come with all of the details. I think it only comes with the zipper in the middle and like this big patch of like fabric across. But all of the like little buckles and faux zippers and patches, they do not come with this doll. So I am very interested in seeing, and you can comment down below, what dress did you get if you got Heather? I want to know if you got the detailed one or the basic one, because I don't know which one is going to be the more rare dress to get. I don't know if they made two versions. I don't know if this doll was not supposed to even be out with this dress. I'm very curious. Let me know down below, what dress did you get? Because I'm very intrigued by that. Now for her shoes, she is wearing these beautiful booties, and they have like this little snake coiling around the heel. Very beautiful. They have an iridescent sheen to them. Kind of reminds me of the heels Avery came with, but they are different enough, and I am here for it. I have no complaints, you guys. Okay guys, so I just changed her into her second outfit. I am super excited. This is definitely my favorite outfit from both of them. I don't know, there's just something about this outfit that I would literally wear in a heartbeat. But this is what the outfit looks like. So this outfit has a mesh snake print top, a little corset style in this like vinyl, kind of like my top. Look at that. It's kind of like my top. Vinyl material with stud detailing, and then these are faux leather snake print pants. Oh my god, super gorgeous, super adorable. They do have slits here on the side, and this is her second pair of shoes. I hope you guys can kind of see that. They are these faux snake print pumps with straps. Super adorable, super cute. They do not have a slit in the back, so when you're putting these shoes on, be very careful because those bands can snap, and it's happened before with a pair of Rainbow High shoes that I have, and I'm like so sad because they were one of my favorite pairs. So just be careful with that. I wish MGA would cut little slits in the back. On the shoes that they can do that, it would be very lovely if they do that, because I'm not trying to break more shoes. Like, I'm not trying to do that. But this is definitely my favorite outfit, and I think I'll be keeping her in this outfit because I just love her so much in this look. She just looks amazing. Oh, she's so gorgeous. I love her. Look, she kind of goes with the scenery back here. She's just like there, living her best life in New York. But yeah, you guys, that is basically everything on Miss Heather Grayson. I am super excited for Shadow High and what they have planned. A couple things have already been, I guess, announced. I don't know if it's official yet, but there's a lot happening with Rainbow High and Shadow High this year, and I am so excited. Like, I'm here for it. I am here for it. But yeah, I mean, other than that, definitely check out my Instagram because there will be more Shadow High content over there. There's going to be lives. I am planning a whole photo shoot for Shadow High that I am very excited about, and I'm sure you are not going to want to miss. And then there's going to be another live where I will be opening Ash with some of my friends, which I'm super excited about because Rainbow High is everything. Like, at this point, Rainbow High just, I want it all. I want it all. MGA, I want it all. So good, you guys. And let me just say that when Shadow High promised rumors, drama, high school rivalry, they weren't lying. Anytime Shadow High is involved in a conversation, there is rumors, there is drama, and there is a lot of rivalry. Oh my god, you guys. It has been a crazy couple of months, and I cannot wait to tell you guys all about it in another video, of course, because this one's way too long, and maybe I'll get some food and some drinks and sit down and we can catch up on what 2022 has been like thus far. But yeah, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, if you like this type of content, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, until next time, goodbye, my angels. See you in the shadows.